Good morning, student. Today we will discuss the topic comparison of fractions. So first we will do comparison of like fractions. Do you know what are like fractions? Yes, fractions that have same denominator. Do you know what is the denominator? Yes, the down part of the fraction, that is, in this case the denominator is 7. In this case the denominator is again 7. So these are like fractions. So now we need to compare which is bigger. So which is greater? How can we check? So I have drawn chocolate, 8 part of chocolates. 7 part of chocolates. As this is the whole number of parts in the denominator. Similarly, now I am going to give 4 chocolates to the Ash. 1, 2, 3, 4 given. And 6 parts of chocolate to Vikram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I have given. So can you tell me which has more number of parts? Can you guess? Yes, Vikram. 1, 2, 3, 4. He has 6 parts, and Ash has only 4 parts. So which has more number of parts? Yes, Vikram. So which is greater? Vikram. We can only compare this kind of value which has same denominator. Here the denominator is same. Number of whole parts are same. So let us see how can we compare the unlike fraction. So what are unlike fractions? Fractions that have different denominator, different. And in the case of like fraction has same denominator, but in the case of unlike fraction have different denominator. So in this, for example, 3 by 4, 2 by 3, they have different denominator. So now how can we compare as the whole number of parts are different? So how can we compare? Yes, we know the magic. I can make both of the fraction as like fraction. If we know the like fraction, I can easily compare. How can we make it like fraction? Let us see. By making it equivalent fraction, here write down the denominator first. The denominator of this fraction is 4 and denominator of this fraction is 3. Here this, if we multiply denominator of that fraction to this fraction. So here the denominator of this fraction is 3. If I multiply with this fraction by 3, remember we need to multiply with numerator also. If we don't do it, then we can't get the equivalent fraction. Otherwise the numerator will be sad. You have given 3 chocolates to that denominator only and you have not given 3 chocolates to the numerator. So we need to multiply it with both sides. So if we multiply 3 into 3 is 9 and 4 into 3 is 12. So let us make it. So let us check 2 by 3 fraction. Here we have 2 by 3 fraction. So what we need to do is we need to multiply this fraction with the denominator of other fraction that I have to compare. So we will multiply 2 by 3 with 4. So we know that we need to multiply 4 with both sides in the case of numerator as well as denominator. So if we multiply 4 with 2, answer would be 8, and if we multiply 4 with 3, answer would be 12. So we can easily, these are like fraction. Now we can easily find out which has greater number of parts. Now you can see both have 12 equal parts. Both have 12 equal parts. Suppose here the 9 parts is given to Gurjot and 8 part is given to Vithi. Now can you tell me? And the total number of 12 parts. Both has total 12 parts and 9 part is given to Gurjot and 8 parts of these 12 parts given to Vithi. Which has more number of parts of chocolates? Yes, Gurjot. So we can write which is greater. Gurjot has more parts. So which is greater? 9 by 12, 8 by 12. Now write down the equivalent fraction from which we have made. Yes, 9 by 12 is from 3 by 4, equivalent fraction of 3 by 4, and 8 by 12 is the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. Thank you.